back to part 2 of the lesson. Right, we will continue with the present simple. What about questions and negative answers? So, yes/no questions with I, you, we, they in English when asked a question, we use the verb do. And for he, she, and it, we use the verb does. So it goes like this: do, and then a pronoun, are you, we, they, and the verb one. For example, do you live in England? Do we have time? Do you like coffee? Oh, yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you eat meat? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Now, when asked about he, she, or it, we always use does. It is followed by the subject, followed by the main verb in the form of verb one, without the s. For example, does he speak Spanish? You don't say, does he speak Spanish? You drop the s. Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Does the house have a pool? Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. That is for now. Next lesson, we are going to discuss the stative verbs. How exciting! I just can't wait. I hope you enjoyed this video. I see you next time. Goodbye.